Hello everyone, welcome back to Roger Journal. I'm Alice. This is the last journaling process video in my Porto travel notebook. I wanted to include these 3 photos in this page: a cathedral, ice cream, and an outdoor orchestra concert. I cut out the title of the concert from its pamphlet. And this is a Daphne's diary page about Porto. I cut out a picture from it, as well as some text next to it, which was "As leisure tiles is perfect." I wanted to back the ice cream photo, so I layered a subway car that I was using in Porto, craft paper scrap, a memo with beautiful frame, and a scrap that had ships because the red strips in the photo reminded me of marine look. I'm figuring the rest of the layout. To back the cathedral photo, I ripped a cream-colored memo paper. This square will be the place to journal. And then I glued other paper elements using glue stick or glue pen when they are tiny. But I used a double-sided tape for the photos because they were printed on thick papers. Lastly, I added washi tape on the photo. I love to do this. Stamp the date on the label, and I journaled changed the orientation. By doing so, you can add more interest to the page. Today's page was simple, but I love that it is full of photos and my memories. Maybe it was easier to figure out the layout if I printed the photo smaller. I'll try that next time. So this was the last page in this Porto notebook, but I still have some photos and ephemera left from the travel, so I think I'm just gonna journal with them in my personal journal. I guess it'll be the next video. So I hope you enjoyed this journaling process video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye!